Welcome back to Car Alerts, the channel that keeps you up to speed with the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we're diving deep into the epitome of luxury, sophistication, and technological advancement, the 2025 Genesis G90. This flagship sedan has been the talk of the town for good reason, as it's redefining what we should expect from luxury vehicles in 2025. Buckle up as we take you on a journey to explore every inch of this remarkable car, from its striking design to its outstanding performance and everything in between. Exterior. The first thing you notice about the 2025 Genesis G90 is its commanding presence. Genesis has truly stepped up its game, and the front fascia of the G90 speaks volumes about the car's luxury aspirations. The signature crest grille is larger and more prominent than ever, with a unique diamond-like pattern that gives it a sense of depth and elegance. It's flanked by sleek, dual-line LED headlamps that extend horizontally, creating a futuristic, almost jewel-like appearance. The attention to detail here is remarkable. Even the Genesis emblem has been redesigned with a thinner, more intricate finish that exudes sophistication. Moving to the hood, the G90 boasts strong character lines that flow seamlessly toward the windshield, emphasizing the car's dynamic yet elegant stance. These lines, combined with the low and wide proportions of the front end, create an aggressive yet refined look that commands attention. Every element feels meticulously crafted, from the chrome accents to the integrated air intakes, which not only enhance aesthetics but also optimize airflow for improved efficiency. As we transition to the side profile, the G90 continues to impress. The proportions are perfectly balanced, with a long hood, short overhangs, and a gently sloping roofline that flows effortlessly into the rear. This design evokes a sense of motion even when the car is standing still. The chrome accents along the window trim and lower bodyline add a touch of class, while the flush door handles seamlessly blend into the bodywork, maintaining the car's clean and aerodynamic silhouette. The large alloy wheels, available in multiple intricate designs, are a masterpiece on their own. Ranging from 19 to 21 inches, they enhance the car's stance while ensuring a smooth ride. One standout feature on the side is the clamshell door design, which enhances the car's upscale appearance. This isn't just about looks, it's also about functionality. The G90 includes power soft-closing doors, a feature often reserved for ultra-luxury vehicles. The car also features an extended wheelbase, providing unmatched rear passenger space, which we'll dive into when we explore the interior. Shifting our focus to the rear, the G90 doesn't hold back in making a statement. The tail end is defined by a full-width LED light bar that mirrors the dual-lane motif from the front headlights. This light bar not only looks stunning, but also enhances visibility at night. The Genesis lettering is prominently displayed above the light bar, reinforcing the brand's confidence and identity. Below, the dual exhaust outlets are integrated seamlessly into the bumper, with a chrome finish that adds a sporty touch to the otherwise elegant design. The rear bumper itself is sculpted to perfection, with subtle creases that add depth and character. Interior, opening the door to the interior, feels like stepping into a first-class lounge. Genesis has gone above and beyond to ensure that every surface, material, and feature exudes luxury. The cabin is wrapped in high-quality materials, including Napa leather, open-pore wood, and brushed aluminum. The dashboard is minimalist yet highly functional, with a dual-screen setup that seamlessly integrates the infotainment and driver displays. The screens are high-resolution, intuitive, and customizable, allowing you to tailor the driving experience to your liking. The steering wheel is wrapped in premium leather, with a two-spoke design that feels retro yet modern. Behind it, the digital driver's display provides all the critical information you need, from speed and navigation to advanced driver assistance features. Speaking of navigation, the G90 includes an augmented reality head-up display that projects key information directly onto the windshield, helping you stay focused on the road. In the rear seats, the G90 truly shines. Genesis has designed the back seats with as much care as the front, offering features like fully reclining seats, built-in massage functions, and individual climate controls. Rear passengers also have access to a dedicated touchscreen control panel embedded in the center console, allowing them to adjust everything from seat positions to ambient lighting. The materials in the rear are just as exquisite, with soft touch surfaces, quilted leather, and even options for customizable fragrances. The ambient lighting system is worth mentioning, as it offers a wide range of colors and themes that can be synchronized with the music playing through the 23-speaker Bang & Olufsen sound system. The acoustic glass and extensive soundproofing ensure that the cabin remains whisper quiet, even at highway speeds, making the G90 an ideal sanctuary on wheels. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Genesis G90 offers a choice of powertrains designed to deliver a smooth yet engaging driving experience. The base model features a 3.5-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine that produces 375 horsepower, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. For those seeking more power, there's an upgraded version of the same engine with an electrified supercharger, boosting output to 409 horsepower. Both variants come with all-wheel drive as standard, ensuring excellent traction and stability in all weather conditions. The ride quality is where the G90 truly excels. Equipped with an advanced multi-link suspension system and an adaptive air suspension, the G90 glides over road imperfections with ease. The system also includes road preview technology, which uses a front-facing camera to detect upcoming bumps and adjust the suspension in real time for a smoother ride. Steering is precise and well-weighted, offering a sense of control without compromising comfort. In terms of efficiency, the G90 delivers respectable fuel economy figures for a luxury sedan, thanks to its mild hybrid technology. The inclusion of regenerative braking and an auto start-stop system helps maximize efficiency without detracting from the overall driving experience. Safety is another area where the G90 stands out. It comes loaded with advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. Additionally, the G90 offers features like remote smart parking assist, allowing you to park the car remotely using the key fob or a smartphone app. It's clear that Genesis has prioritized both convenience and safety in the G90's design. Pricing for the 2025 Genesis G90 starts at around $89,000 for the base model, while the fully loaded version can exceed $100,000. While this places it in direct competition with established luxury brands like Mercedes, BMW, and Audi, the G90 offers a level of value that's hard to beat. Its combination of luxury, technology, and performance makes it a compelling choice for anyone in the market for a high-end sedan. In conclusion, the 2025 Genesis G90 is a masterclass in automotive luxury and innovation. From its breathtaking design to its opulent interior, cutting-edge technology, and refined performance, the G90 sets a new standard for what a flagship sedan should be. It's a car that doesn't just meet expectations, it exceeds them in every way. If you're looking for a vehicle that offers the perfect blend of style, comfort, and advanced features, the Genesis G90 deserves your attention. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive into the 2025 Genesis G90. If you enjoyed this review and want to stay updated on the latest in the automotive world, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Car Alerts, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Let us know in the comments what you think of the G90. Does it have what it takes to compete with the best? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, drive safe and stay informed.